given that the cube root of 4, so the number I have here is 3, the cube root of 4 equals 2 to the power x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now, to do this, let's begin by writing down the problem statement. So what we have is the cube root of 4 equals 2 to the power x. Now, to make my first step in solving this equation, we're going to lay credence to one of the laws of indices that says that, so anytime you have x, let's say you have x to the power 1 all over a, 1 all over a. So what the law of indices says is that this is the same thing as, so what you have here as the denominator of the exponent becomes the root, so it becomes the root of x. So an example is, when you have x to the power 1 all over 2, x to the power 1 all over 2, so this is just the same thing as, so the 2 here becomes the root, and then you have your x here. So x to the power 1/2 is just the square root of x. So I'm going to lay credence to this information here to rewrite the term I have in the left hand side here. So let's just highlight the radical we have here. So you have the cube root of 4. So according to what we have here, it says we can rewrite this as 4 to the power 1 all over 3. Now this equals 2 to the power x. Now the 4 you have here is the same thing as 2 to the power 2, then multiplied by 1 divided by 3. So this equals 2 to the power x. Also, I'm going to lay credence to one of the laws of indices that says that x to the power a, then also raised to the power b. So this is just going to give you x to the power a times b. So anytime you have things multiplying, so you have a power of a power, so you could just multiply all the exponents and then you still get the same answer. So that's exactly what we're having here. We're having 2 to the power 2 to the power 1 all over 3. So what is law of indices says is that you can multiply all the exponents and then it's still going to be the same thing. So this is just 2 to the power 2 times, now 2 times 1 all over 3, that is 2 all over 3. So this is 2 all over 3 equals 2 to the power x, that is 2 to the power x. So you have 2 to the power 2 all over 3 equals 2 to the power x. So without mincing words, we could just neglect the base we have here and make an inference that the power we have here must equal the power we have at the right hand side. So that is, this implies that 2 all over 3 must be equal to x, or you can just say x equals 2 all over 3. So this is our final answer. So let's check if our solution is there. So here is it. So x equals 2 all over 3. So our answer is C.